Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the world's best startup submitting a website. In this site you can submit your startup. If you want to know more about this website, hold the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Startuplift.com? It's essentially a site that fills two needs. It gives pristine new businesses some truly necessary permeability and introduction to potential possibilities, customers, and clients. The second capacity of Startuplift.com is to give these new businesses significant input from genuine clients. We made Startuplift assist you in developing your business. If you can start the link in the description box. With that in mind, we offer different instruments and administrations that help in your development hacking measure. While development is a progressing cycle, there are sure administrations, or steps, that can be set up that will help kick off the development of your business. Our administration is equipped towards these very administrations. They are the essential structure squares of the present organizations, and you'll see that any business genuine about development has them set up. Most organizations know about these administrations. Be that as it may, possibly they don't have the opportunity or in-house skill to complete them. That is the place where we come in. Here is how it works. 1. Submit your data by rounding out this one-page structure. 2. We at that point make a board of clients dependent on your intended interest group and allot them errands dependent on your info. 3. Users beginning presenting their criticism tending to the inquiries posed and the undertakings appointed. 4. After the assignments are finished, we gather input entries and give you a careful report that comprises noteworthy things. Get featured. Get feedback. More than 700 new businesses have utilized our administrations. We highlight your startup and send a gathering of our clients to study certain basic parts of your business for input. I hope you're enjoying the video, and on this site, you can submit your startup and reach your product to many people. If you get more videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Good luck.